Hi there, Greg, your friendly garden guy, right here at Willow Ridge Garden Center. You want to grow vegetables at your house, don't have the space, don't have a raised bed, wondering how you're going to do it? I have the solution. This is the Big Bag Bed. It's a fabric raised bed, easy to install. All you do is unfold it, fill it with soil, and plant your vegetables right in there, and herbs. This thing is big enough to grow multiple varieties of vegetables and herbs right there in this bag. It's a raised bed. You just fill it with soil, unfold it, fill it with soil, and plant it. At the end of the season, all you do is dump your soil out in the compost pile, fold the bag up, and store it away until next year. No mess, no worry. It's a raised bed fabric right there with no installation, no assembly required. It's as easy as pie. It's the newest thing. It's the Big Bag raised bed right here at Willow Ridge Garden Center. Get your hands dirty. It's good for you.